In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Planner board. If you need to remove a plan that you no longer use, Microsoft Planner makes it fairly simple, but it's important to know that deleting a plan is a permanent action. That means once the plan is deleted, the board and its contents won't be available in the usual way anymore, so make sure you're deleting the correct one before you continue. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the specific plan board you want to delete. Make sure you're on the actual board for the plan, not just viewing a list of plans or tasks. This is important because the delete option is found within the plan itself. Once the board has loaded, take a moment to confirm the plan name so you know you're working in the right place. Next, look toward the top area of the screen near the plan name. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is the More Options menu for that plan. Go ahead and click those three dots. This menu contains additional actions related to the board, including the option to remove it. If you don't immediately notice it, look carefully near the title of the plan at the top of the page. After opening the menu, click on Delete this plan. This is the option that removes the entire planner board. Because this affects the full plan rather than just a single task or bucket, be sure you're comfortable moving forward before selecting it. At this point, Microsoft Planner may show a confirmation prompt, depending on your setup or version. If that appears, read it carefully and confirm only if you're sure. This extra check is there to help prevent accidental deletion, especially when multiple team members use the same plan. And that's it. Once you choose delete this plan, the planner board will be removed. A quick tip before you do this in a shared workspace. If other people collaborate on the plan, it's a good idea to let them know first so no one loses access unexpectedly. Also, if you only want to clean things up without fully removing the board, make sure deletion is really the action you want, since this is meant for plans you're ready to get rid of entirely. Now, you know how to delete a Microsoft Planner board quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.